The preposition at has been finished, which is used in more specific sense: house, station, which are small areas, and the areas means for minor operations. On the other hand, now we discuss preposition in. When at refers more specific, in refers no specific. No specific house or residence, but it refers specific house, stations. यह निर्दिष्ट कला बेले इन कौन सी निर्दिष्ट हाउस बा रेसिडेंस को जाऊ ना स्मॉल एरियाज को रेफर कला बेले इन रेफर्स लार्ज एरियाज माइनर ऑपरेशन थिला बेले there we find major operations in use of in or extensive operations. For example, he lives in a village. There he does everything for his livelihood. एठी जाबतीय काम से करछि गारे रहउछि ता जीवन जीविकार समस्त काम करछि that is extensive operation. And a place of work is and also it is used to place of work in buildings. जदि से कौन सी बिल्डिंग भीतर काम करे ताले सेठी भी प्रीपोजिशन इन लगुଛି. She works in a bank. एडी बैंक रे गोटे बिल्डिंग किंतु हम आर्ट क्षेत्र रे देखिथिले she works at a public library. It is specific. It refers to building, it refers specific place. He is playing in the field, large area. He is playing in the field. He is playing in the playground. Stands in a queue or in a line. He is working in the field refers a large area in our concept. आम concept भितरे ए गुड़िक साधारणतः लार्ज एरिया को सूचना दियंती. We come to preposition of. It is used to place of work which is not a building, but when it is a building in is used, but when it is not a building on is used. Compare, she works in a bank and he is working on a farm. On it does not refer a particular building. A particular building की आसना. He is working on a farm. It may be an open area, not within the building. The work is not within the building. When the work is within the building, the meeting was held on the premises. Campus bhitar hochi on the premises. The place on the open area. He is working in the field, but the meeting was held on the premises. And the second meaning of on the second meaning देखिए. प्रथम मीनिंग है प्लेस ऑफ वर्क नॉट बिल्डिंग. जदि प्लेस ऑफ वर्क कौन बिल्डिंग की बुझू न ही इज वर्किंग ऑन ए फार्म, ही इज वर्किंग ऑन ए रबर प्लांटेशन, द मीटिंग वाज हेल्ड ऑन द प्रेमिसेस। सेकंड यूज व्हिच मीन्स क्लोज कांटेक्ट। जदि क्लोज कांटेक्ट आसी जीव तने आर पृष्ठ तार पृष्ठ सहित लागि थबो सेठी तमे ऑन लगे परियो। We can use on. There is a notice on the notice board. Notice board रे notice थिए लागुछि। तने it is on the touching surface of a notice board. He is sitting on the grass. You mark the line. You mark the sentence. He is sitting on the grass. But he is playing in the field. Larger area. किंतु ये जो on the grass on the bench means close contact. से बसची घास रो पृष्ठ सहित एलेक्टा शरीर लागुछि। In the third case, on means close to. पाख को बुझाए, which is near meaning at. He is sitting on my right. On my right. से मोर डान पटे अछि। हरिद्वार is on the Gangas. Close. अर्थ पाखापाखि। गंगा नदी कूल हरिद्वार अवस्थित। कलकत्ता इज ऑन द हुगली। कलकत्ता हुगली नदी कूल अवस्थित। लंडन इज ऑन द थेम्स। लंडन थेम्स नदी कूल अवस्थित। द हाउस इज ऑन द रोड। द हाउस इज ऑन द रोड। माने क्लोज टू पाखा पाखी की जोड़ी बुझाए क्लोज। सो प्रीपोजिशन ऑन इट इज यूज्ड ऑन द सेंस ऑफ प्लेस ऑफ वर्क व्हिच इज नॉट ए बिल्डिंग। इट मीन्स क्लोज कांटेक्ट मीन्स द one's surface touch another's surface. In third case close to, near to. Over. Over means vertically above. Here I show an angle. It is 90-degree angle. The aeroplane is vertically above, or the aeroplane is flying over my head. The aeroplane is flying over my head. Here is a fan. The fan is moving over my head. That is vertically above. And also it means higher than. Above means only higher than. Over means vertically above, also higher than. Above means only higher than. You see, it is here. On the slopes of the hill, there are two houses. So one house is below, another house is above. So house B is above A. means the height of something in relation to ground. माटी ठारू किए केते उच्चरे अछि ए घरटा उच्चरे अछि लेवल माटी ठू उच्चरे रहउछि ए पतल हाउस ठू उच्चरे रहउछि so b is above a. Also over means from one side to another side. Over means from one side to another side. There is a bridge over the river. There is a bridge over the river. Means the river connects from one side to another side. गोटे पटरू आ गोटे पट को कनेक्ट करूछ. Over means from one side to another side, which means across. Over means in every part of. I traveled all over Odisha. Means one part to from every part of Odisha I travel. Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam is famous all over the world. So over means in every part of somewhere. Both over and above express the sense of greater in number, weight, more than. उभय over and above express the sense of greater in number, greater in weight or more than. In such sense both are used. Here is a packet, wheat packet. It is wheat packet. It is above, the packet is above 50 kg more. The packet is above 50 kg. I am above 70 kg weight. I am above 70 kg weight. Also the children's above 5 can be admitted. The children above 5 can be admitted. The children over 5 can be admitted. Applications over 35. Applications over age 35. Applications over age 35 must not apply. Applications over age 35 must not apply. The umbrella is above my head or over my head. Both are correct. The umbrella is above my head or over my head. Here is a frog. The frog jump over. The frog jump over the rock. The frog jumped over the rock.